Good morning, dear students. Welcome my today online class. Okay, and today I will teach chapter number 16. Chapter name is garbage in, garbage out. Student. What is garbage? Okay, what is garbage? Student, garbage is a waste material. Okay, so waste materials, household waste are called garbage. Okay, student, every household produces a lot of garbage daily, which is collected in dustbin. The shops, offices, and schools also produce garbage or rubbish every day. Okay, what does the garbage consist of? This will become clear from the following discussion. Okay, we peel off many fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking them. Okay, sometimes cooked food also remains unused in our homes, and it is called leftover food. Okay, so the leaves of potted plant also keep falling every day in our home. The peels of fruit and vegetables, leftover cooked food, and fallen leaves of potted plants are thrown away as garbage. Okay, so every household buys a large number of packet products such as flour, atta, rice, pulses, biscuits, chocolates, milks, and oil etc., which are packed in plastic bag, cardboards, cartoons, paper wrapper, plastic containers, okay, tins, and many other kinds of packaging material. All the packaging materials are useless and go out as garbage. We also tear off various kinds of paper, this form of our notebooks, okay, and throw them into the dustbin. The waste paper also generate garbage. Okay, the waste paper also generate garbage. That's clear, student. I hope all of you understood the meaning of garbage. Okay. And student, when people get off from bus, they throw the bus ticket on the road. Some people eat groundnuts, okay, and throw their sales in buses, trains, and other public places. Whereas other throw banana skin on the road. Every time we throw away something, we are producing garbage through the garbage produces by a single person may be small, but a small amount of garbage thrown by many person in an area can make a big heap of garbage. In fact, we are generating mountains of garbage every day. Okay, if garbage is not removed from our homes and surrounding regularly, our homes and surrounding will become dirty. Some of the garbage will rot, giving off full smell. The rotting garbage will become a breeding ground for disease causing organisms such as cockroach, flies, and mosquitoes. They will spread disease to us. Okay, this is that. And what about other places, just like office, okay, schools, and any private and government offices. Okay, so the garbage collected in dustbin, our homes, shops, offices, and schools is taken away by the safai karmachari, okay, of our area and put into big garbage dump constructed by the municipality. Okay, at various locations. Okay, from the garbage dump, garbage is loaded into trucks and disposed of in a number of ways depending on the nature of garbage. We will now describe the what are the main types of garbage, how we can use some of household garbage ourselves in useful way. Okay, how a part of the garbage can be recycled or reused, and how the remaining useless part of garbage is disposed of properly in a way that it does not them our surrounding. Okay, so I have explained the next topic is the chapter dealing with garbage. Dealing with garbage. Okay, so garbage is two types of component: useful components and useless components. Okay, garbage is two types components: useful components and useless components. Okay, so the useful components of garbage are also two types. Okay, useful component garbage is two types, which can be converted into compost and which can be recycled or reused. Okay, so the garbage is two types of component: useful component, unuseful component, or useless component. Okay, so those things present in garbage which can be converted into useful product, recycled, reused, are called useful components. Okay, that's clear. And those things present in garbage which can neither be used in any way nor recycled or called useless components. Okay, so the useful components garbage are also two types, which can be converted into compost. Just example is a fruit and vegetable peels. Okay, leftover cooked food. Okay, fallen leaves, which can be converted into compost. And second useful components is which can be recycled or reused. Okay, so used paper, some plastics, glass and metal articles which can be recycled and reused. Okay, the first step in dealing with garbage is to separate useful part of garbage, convert into compost, recycle or reuse from non-useful part which cannot be used at all. The separation of useful part of garbage can be done in our homes. Okay, ourselves. It is also done at garbage dumps by the people called rag pickers. Okay, and the next topic is in this chapter: some garbage rots, whereas other does not. Okay, so student, garbage such fruit and vegetable, peels, leftover food and fallen leaves, etc. when buried in soil for some time, we say that they are biodegradable. Actually, when fruit and vegetables, peels, leftover food and plants are buried in soil, they are decomposed by the microorganism present in soil to form harmless substance. Okay. On the other hand, the garbage, okay, such as plastics, bags, glass bottles, and metal articles do not rot when buried in soil. We say they are non-biodegradable. The garbage such as plastic bags, glass and metal article cannot be decomposed by the microorganisms present in the soil. Okay, so there are, okay, we can now say that, okay, the part of garbage which can rot in nature form harmless substance is called biodegradable. Okay, and non-biodegradable, what about non-biodegradable? Okay, the part of garbage which does not rot in nature is called non-biodegradable. Okay, so biodegradable substance is vegetable peels, leftover food, leaves, paper, cotton jute, okay, are and farm animals such wool, silk, leather, cow dung, okay, is biodegradable. Okay, and the non-biodegradable example is some non-biodegradable example is plastic, glass and metal object. non-biodegradable. In fact, all the garbage which is not derived from plants or animals sources in non-biodegradable organism. Okay, non-biodegradable substance. Okay, that's clear. Okay, so getting rid of non-biodegradable part of garbage is a problem because it does not rot on decay. Okay, so when we read or some of it, okay, gives poisons gases when viewed. Okay, we will now describe them simply. Okay, so there are some garbage rods whereas other does not. Okay, biodegradable and non biodegradable. Okay, I hope student all of you understood both topics biodegradable and non biodegradable. Okay, have a nice day, good day.